Okay, hi, I'm Millie Miriam. I'm the Closet Quilter. I am working on my double wedding ring quilt. I'm making my units. These are one pile of some units. It's working out nicely. Now, I want to point something out. I make this mistake quite a bit. Okay, I'm sewing together a thing. What's wrong with this? Okay, this is a common mistake. Let's look at the pieces. These are the pieces. This is one of the pieces. This is another piece, okay? And you can do it on either one. You can do it on the double. Oh, here. You can do it on the 2-notch pieces. You can do it on the 1-notch pieces. Now, the unit is made up of 3 2-notch pieces. 1, 2, 3, okay? And one 1-notch piece on each end. Okay, and then the end caps if you choose to do that. Okay, the problem is the pieces look like this. It's not a problem, actually. These are the pieces. Okay, what do you notice about these? There is a narrow side and there is a wider side. Okay, when you're sewing them together, all the narrow sides have to be on one end and all the wide ones have to be on the other end. This is not the case on this one. This is narrow, 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 wide. I sewed the wide piece. It's upside down. You need to pay attention to that. I mean, there's so many things to pay attention to, right? So what I did was I sewed together the 3 2-notch ones, and I focused on keeping the narrow ones at the top. Okay, now I'm adding on this, and I completely forgot about focusing on that, and here I have it. I have to rip this out and make sure that I've got it right, which probably isn't. I have to find a left 1-notch, and then the right 1-notch goes on this side. I hope that makes sense to you. If it doesn't, better watch the video that tells you how I put it together, because it's pretty easy. You take 3 2-notch pieces, you sew them together, and then on either side you add the 1-notch. And when you make the 1-notches, you have to fan fold, so you have one on the left and one on the right of each. So that makes it easier for you. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. I hope this helps you. If you're making this, if you notice that you're going the wrong, it's not quite curving. It seems to start going back, which is another thing, a really cool thing you can do, actually, which I eventually want to do that, you know, do little S curves. That would be cool. Using this idea that if you want to change directions, you just flip it, right? So that's pretty cool. Anyway, wanted to show that to you. I hope that you have a great quilting day, and thanks for stopping by.